you're not trained in behavior modification, if you're not trained in bullying, and no matter what you're taught, you walk into a classroom and Joey Bananas, whatever, comes up and goes, look what I can do, and does like the steward, and then all of a sudden it's like, you respond, and the teacher doesn't even realize, and she goes, oh, you shouldn't do that, and she doesn't realize that she just did this, which is create a button for the kids to push. Like how many of you how many of you have teachers that you think they have buttons that the kids push? If they said these kids are pushing my buttons, okay, and if you actually ask them where their buttons were, other than their belly button, what would they say? They got nothing. People don't realize how much responsibility and power they actually have, and that's the kind of concept of all my trainings. Because when I do a behavior modification program, which I'm going to teach you a couple of nuances of, I'm going to do a lot of different things in an hour and a half. I'm going to give you little tidbits, team building games, things that you do, sales techniques, all these different things. In there, the behavior modification, it's teaching teachers that they're the ones that respond a certain way to a child, and the world of if mom and dad will only, or if they're blah, 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 all to put responsibility on the whole entire world instead of themselves, when they realize they are tested by the child within a second, they then do whatever facial expression or respond in whatever way that they do, and then that child goes, oh, there you go, so you don't like it when I do this, you don't like it when I do this, oh, you definitely don't like it when I do this, now I'm going to remember it when I want attention in 20 minutes, and the teacher doesn't even realize that she did this, and she created her own button, and then she blames the child, because that's the old school mentality of it. All right? See, in my world, I understand that if I say, you're not allowed to touch her, exactly.